Check out this 2009 GMC Acadia. Very nice Acadia with excellent passenger room and 3 rows of seats that are also flexible and fold flat. The interior is very comfortable and equipped with a host of luxury features including leather, rear DVDs, and dual moon roofs. The 3.6L V6 engine supplies plenty of power and gets great gas mileage. This one is a clean Carfax one-owner vehicle. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $27,991. Contact the dealership today.